You all better? You all better from those little sniffles thing? Oh, you want to tell your fans hi? Tell them you're okay? Look, you want to tell them you're okay? Yeah. People all around the world love you. Yes, people love you. Including me. Where's oh, and there's my fabulous Serafina. My little YouTube queen, actually. Not star, she's my queen. And Gypsy is the queen too. Gypsy, what have you been up to today? Oh, poor thing. We need to get you some medicine. Flea medicine. Or, yeah, I think that's why you're itching. Oh, there she... Okay. You want to tell your fans bye before you start running out? Okay, I guess so. There she goes.